Hello students, I am Rupesh Chaudhary. Today we will learn the questions answer from the lesson Flying Together. Now let us see the questions answer. Let's read. Question number 1. Where did the geese live? Answer is the geese lived on a very tall tree of the forest. Question number 2. Why did the old bird advise the other birds to destroy the creeper? Answer. The old bird advised the other birds to destroy the creeper because after growing thick and strong, it could harm all the birds. Question number 3. Why did the geese cry help help? Answer is the geese cried for help when they got trapped inside the net of the hunter. Question number 4. What did the hunter do when the thought What did the hunter do when he thought that the geese were dead? Answer is when the hunter thought that the geese were dead, he threw them down on the ground, one after the other. Question number 5. Why did the geese pretended to be dead? Answer. The geese pretended to be dead because they thought the hunters would not want the dead birds and he would throw them down. Next exercise, state whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. The tree was the house of flock of parrots. Answer is false. Number 2. The wise old bird wanted the creeper to be destroyed. Answer is true. The hunter climbed the tree with the help of a ladder. Answer is false. When caught in the net, the foolish birds began to weep. Yes, true. The wise old bird helped them to escape. Answer true. Read the story from the NCERT books, page number 34. Why do you think the dove helped the ant? The story from the page number 34. Questions answer. Let's listen. First to read the story and then to tell the answer. Okay children, listen to the following paragraph. The ant and the dove. On his way home, an ant saw a sparkling fountain. एक चींटे ने घर जाते वक्त उसके घर के रास्ते पर एक सुंदर सा स्पार्कलिंग फाउंटेन जो फवारा होता है पानी का उसको देखा. He crawled onto its wall to take a closer look. अब उसको इच्छा हुई कि यह सुंदर सा फाउंटेन मैं नज़दीक से जाके देखूंगा और वह उस फाउंटेन के दीवार पर चढ़ गया. Suddenly he slipped and fell into the water. अचानक उसका पैर फिसल गया और वह उस फाउंटेन के पानी में अंदर जा गिरा. He gurgled and panicked and waved his legs in the air. अब वो अपने आप को बचाने की कोशिश करने लगा और अपने हाथ पैर मारने लगा, लेकिन जब पूरी कोशिश करने के बाद भी उसको अपनी जान बचाने में असमर्थ हो गया और फिर चिल्लाने लगा, हेल्प हेल्प, आई कांट स्विम, बचाओ बचाओ, मुझे तैरना नहीं आता, मैं डूब रहा हूँ. He cried और रोने लगा. Luckily, just at that moment, a friendly dove flew by. अचानक वहाँ पे एक मित्रतापूर्ण अच्छी स्वभाव की एक डव गुजर रही थी. वहाँ से एक डव गुजर रही थी. She saw that the tiny ant was drowning and quickly flew to a nearby tree. उसने उस चींटे को उस फाउंटेन में डूबते हुए देखा तो वो तुरंत दौड़ते हुए एक पेड़ की ओर भागते हुए गई। She pulled off a leaf. अब उसने उस पेड़ से एक पत्ता तोड़ लिया and let it glide down to the ant. और उस चींटी के पास लाकर रख दिया और उससे कहा, अब इस पे आप आ जाओ, यह आपके लिए पत्ता है और इस पे चढ़ के आप अपनी जान बचाओ। और she could and flew away. और वहाँ से वो इतना कह के उड़ गई। अब यहाँ पे उस चीता अपनी जान बचाते हुए उस पत्ते पर चढ़ गया और उसने अपनी जान बचा ली। Question 1. Why do you think the dove helped the ant? I think the dove helped the ant because it was sensitive for the life of other creatures and he was of helpful nature. Number 2. How do you think the ant felt on finding the leaf? I think the ant felt obliged and relieved. Number 3. Next is page number 35. Let's talk. Work in pairs. Ask your friend questions about all the things he does. Use question words such as where, what, how, who, when, why. One is done for you. Like this, Anu. Anu say, I watch TV in the evening. Amit say, when do you watch TV? Anu, I play football. Then Amit, what do you play? Then Anu, I collect stamps. Amit, what do you collect? Anu, I play in the ground. Then Amit, where do you play? Anu, on Sunday I go shopping. Amit say, when do you go for shopping? Then answer these questions about yourself. What is your name? What language do you speak? How old are you? Which is your favorite food? Where did you go yesterday? Which country do you belong to? When do you go to sleep? Then, why do you drink milk? Next exercise, let's write page number 36. The words in the cloud describe something or someone in the story. Name them in the blanks provided. Make sentences of your own with the words given in the clouds. Then number 1, wise, old bird, careless, geese, thick and strong, creeper, foolish, geese, tall tree. Number 1 sentence, Nina helps her old grandfather. She is a wise girl. Number 2, Ravi has lost a 100 rupee note. He is careless boy. Number 3, a rose plant grows thick and strong. Number 4, Sahil did not understand simple sums. He is foolish. Number 5, Sita is growing tall. Through exercise. Question number 2.
Thank you, students.
Are some
We will
answers
see
about
questions,
the given pictures.
answers in
Number
next
1,
video.
the color of the ant is black. Number 2, it lives on land. Number 3, it has 2 long antennae. Number 4, it crawls on the ground. Number 5, it eats sugar. Now frame questions for the above answers. Number 1, what is the color of the ant? Number 2, where does the ant live? Number 3, how many antennae does an ant have? Number 4, how and where does the ant move? Number 5, what does the ant eat? Question number 3, fill in the blanks with prepositions such as to, at, of, on, in, into, with. One has been done for you. Number 1, this tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. Number 2, he noticed the creeper at the foot of the tree. Number 3, it would be a pity to destroy it now. Number 4, as they flew into the tree, they were trapped. Number 5, the boy ran with the dog. Number 6, the frog jumped into the well. Number 6, the girl was thrilled to see her new bicycle. Number 7, the birds were caught in the net. Number 9, the children walked across the breeze. Question number 4, complete the paragraph with suitable words from the box. In box, around, across, with, along, to, after, next to, into, from. Then to write in fill in the blanks. To help from this box words. One day, as I was walking along the bank of the river, I saw my friend running across the field. He was calling my name and waving to me. I stopped and waited. After some time, he reached where I was standing. He said, I went all around the town looking for you. I have some exciting news to share with you. Do you remember the old house next to the neem tree? Guess who is moving into that house? Janagdar, the great magician. Now we can learn lots of magic tricks from him. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks given below with question words. For example, where do you live? Number 1. What do you play? Number 2. When do you get up? Number 3. What do you have for breakfast? Number 4. When do you go to school? Number 5. What do you like best in the school? Games, art or music? Number 6. When is your birthday? Number 7. What do you want for your birthday? Thank you students. We will see questions answers in next video.